Oh,
This
beautiful.
conference
Oh,
will
oh.
now be recorded.
Okay, okay, very nice. Please send me a copy.
Yes, Vishal. Say this.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. This is the Dakshinottara Bhitti Yantra.
Oh.
And here, when you open it, as the sun moves, you look at the shadow, how it moves. See that?
Oh.
And this is another yantra called Nadi Valya.
Okay.
This is that Nadi Valya. So this is the first time that we have created a Jantar Mantar pop-up book, in the entire world.
Yes, definitely.
Yes, it's very amazing. Please send us one copy. We'll play that.
Right, right.
Okay. Lenin sir, உங்களோட வீடியோ ஆன் பண்ணிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் நீங்க பேசுங்க, இன்ட்ரோடியூஸ் பண்ணிடுங்க.
ஓகே,
அதுக்கப்புறம் சார். ஓகே, தேங்க் யூ.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். Good morning everybody. Can you hear me?
Yeah. கேக்குது.
Okay. Yeah. அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். இந்த series of exploring science through toys and other things with experiments and all, இந்த ஒரு சீரிஸ் டாக்ல இப்போ தேர்ட் டாக்க மிஸ்டர் VSS சாஸ்திரி அவங்க வந்து பேசுறாங்க. சார் வந்து ஒரு பேங்க் எம்ப்ளாயி, ஃபார்மர் பேங்க் எம்ப்ளாயி, பட் வெரி மச் இன்ட்ரெஸ்டட் இன் சயின்ஸ் அண்ட் மேத்தமெட்டிக்ஸ், and he has already brought out a book on origami through mathematics through origami. ரொம்ப ரொம்ப பாப்புலரான புக் அது. விஞ்ஞான் பிரசாரே பப்ளிஷ் பண்ணியிருக்குது அது. இந்த புத்தகத்தை வாங்கி எல்லாரும் படிக்கணும்னு கேட்டுக்கிறேன். ஏன்னா ரொம்ப ஈஸியாக அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ண முடியும் அந்த புக்ல இருந்து, ஜியாமெட்ரியா பண்ணலாம். அண்ட் ஹீஸ் அ வெரி குட் ஃப்ரெண்ட் அண்ட் லாங் டைம் ஃப்ரெண்ட் ஆஃப் அஸ். தமிழ்நாடு சயின்ஸ் அண்ட் டெக்னாலஜி சென்டரோட அவர் ரொம்ப இன்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கிறாரு. சாஸ்திரியை வந்து ஒரு ராதர் தேன் பேங்க் எம்ப்ளாயி, ஒரு சயின்ஸ் ப்ராபகேட்டராக தான் எல்லாருக்கும் தெரியும். இந்த கையில் ஒரு ஜோல்னா பை, ஒரு கத்திரிக்கோள், ஒரு பேக் ஆஃப் பேப்பர்ஸ், A4 ஷீட் கொஞ்சம் இருந்துன்னா போதும், யூ வில் டூ ஒண்டர்ஸ் அண்ட் மேஜிக்ஸ். and he knows this anatomy of insects also. அவர் ஒரு சின்ன பேப்பர் எடுத்தாட்டா அதுல இருந்து ஒரு காக்ரோச்சோ, ஒரு இன்செக்ட், எனி இன்செக்ட், கிராஸ் ஹாப்பர், ஒரு பீட்டில், இந்த மாதிரி எதுனாலும் அவர் செய்யக்கூடிய ஒரு. அண்ட் he has a set of collections also, நிறைய பண்ணக்கூடியவர். So we will see him in action. I welcome you all. Very very nice person. அவர் வந்து மோஸ்ட்லி இப்போ இங்கிலீஷ்ல தான் பேசுறேன் அப்படின்றாரு, தமிழ்ல கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம் அப்ப சொல்லுவாரு. ப்ளீஸ் அட்ஜஸ்ட் வித் தட். ஏன்னா தமிழ் வந்து அவர் கொஞ்சம் அவ்வளோ நாட் ஃபெமிலியர். பேசுவாரு, பட் ஹி கேன் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் சம் லெவல். உங்களோட கொஸ்டின்ஸ் எது இருந்தாலும் அண்ட் வில் ஆஸ்க், ரைட்? வெரி நைஸ் பர்சன் அண்ட் வெரி நைஸ் சப்ஜெக்ட். origami பேப்பர் வந்து கட் பண்ணி, ஓரியாமிங்கிறது மடிச்சு பண்றது, இது கட் பண்ணி பண்றது. You can do wonderful things. Please welcome Mr. Shastri. Thank you, sir. You can start.
Yeah.
Sir, you can start. Mr. Shankaran, please mute பண்ணிக்கங்க.
Hello, you are able to listen and also see now this cover?
Yes, sir.
You are able to see this cover?
எல்லாரும் கொஞ்சம் மியூட் பண்ணிக்கங்க. Please mute yourselves. Participants, please mute.
Sir, please share my screen. Please share my screen. Are they able to see this cover?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can see.
சாஸ்திரி சார் நீங்க பேசலாம், நீங்க டெமோ பண்ணலாம். உங்களோட வீடியோ தெரியுது, ஆடியோவும் கேக்குது. So you can do that.
Okay. Now, are you
Yes,
able
sir.
to, people are able to see this cover, sir?
கார்த்தி பேசுது, நீ கொஞ்சம் பேசு, எனக்கு கால் பண்ணு.
Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can see your club. Yeah. Shastri sir, you can start.
Sir, you can start your.
My name is V.S.S. Shastri. Even though I know a bit of Tamil, that I am afraid to speak to you because Tamil is not my mother tongue. That's why the flow is not there. But I can understand the Tamil. And later when the questions do come, please ask only in Tamil. I can understand it. Now this kind of a demonstration what I am going to do is about kirigami. For kirigami, I take any kind of a paper. For example, I will start with a demonstration like this. This is a cover. This is a cover, a kind of a tapal cover. In fact, I have taken it from the bank because I was working in Canara Bank. I have taken this cover. Please watch what happens. So I will remove these ends. These two ends I will remove. So then what happens is that this cover becomes a cylinder. It has got some properties. For example, it can stand like this. Using this property, what I can do? Now watch what I am doing. You are able to see, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Please see that there is no drawing at all. There is no drawing of any sort. Please watch. I am cutting without any drawing. The entire drawing, if at all, it is in my head. That is the technique of kirigami. No drawing is made, but it has to be just right away. Look at the shape, what I have got. Now I am using some origami techniques of foldings to make it stand. Can you guess what it is?
Bird?
Yes, it is. It is a bird. And which kind of a bird? You can identify the species also.
Crane.
Yeah. In fact, we call it as stork. It is actually stork. Right. Because we started as a cylinder, and we have given some strength of a folding. It can stand. See what I am doing to the legs. In fact, it can stand like this. Yeah. Can you see that?
Great, sir. Great. Yeah. Amazing.
Yeah. So this art is called as kirigami. So any kind of a paper we take and explore the possibilities in it. Now I have demonstration. I have made with this cover directly. I have made 3 kinds of demonstrations with colored papers. So I request the organizers to share it.
Yes,
On the
sir.
video,
Please share the video. Please share the video, sir.
Yeah, Lenin sir, share the video.
Oh, God. Sri.
Yeah. Okay.
எப்படி பண்றது? வீடியோ இருக்கு.
1 minute.
I got the video now.
அந்த ஸ்கிரீன் இருக்குல்ல, கீழே பட்டன் பாருங்களா, மைக் கேமரா ஸ்கிரீன்.
Huh?
மைக் கேமரா ஸ்கிரீன் இருக்கு, அதுல இந்த ஸ்கிரீன் பிரஸ் பண்ணுங்க. பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் என்ன வருது? சரி, ஒரு நிமிஷம் இருங்க, நானே பண்றேன்.
நீங்க பண்ணுங்க எனக்கு.
ஓகே.
Start பண்ணுங்க.
Marks पड़ता है. No voice.
See, audio increase பண்ணுங்க.
ஒரு நிமிஷம்.
I make Indian model.
இப்போ ஓகேயா?
No.
Audio is not coming.
No.
இல்ல. No audio.
One.
Perhaps you have to mute mine, and then only start audio, perhaps.
Sir, you just speak one or two lines. I'll just check what is happening.
Okay, right. I can do, very many things, like, are you sharing, my screen?
Yeah, please. You're already one.
Okay, then I will make it another model.
Yeah.
I'll make it another model like this. Okay. I will take a card, So before, the video is being shared, I have, some time. So I have a kind of invitation card like this. So let us see, what happens, with the invitation card. So this invitation card has a property. So it can just, stand like this. Even here, in this invitation card, we can do, something. So let us see, what can be done. Look. See how I have cut.
Beautiful. Super. சூப்பரா இருக்கா?
In fact, he's a bird, like this. In fact, it can be made, to stand also. So like this, any kind of a paper, can be converted into, this kind of a models. And this art is called as, kirigami. In fact, when the video is played, you will see, very many of the models, simple models which you yourself, can do. So have, one paper, with you, or any kind of a paper like this, a colored paper or an invitation or whatever it is, and then they follow the instructions, in the video as I am demonstrating it, and you can just, do it like this.
Shastri ji, ஒரு insect பண்ணிக்கலாம்.
You want an insect?
Yes, yes.
Yes. In fact, I can demonstrate to you, okay, I'll just show you, the insects, what I have done. Can you just see?
Wow.
So look, the descriptions also, the family, the insect name, and also, its order, etc. Everything, is perfect. All these are made from paper. You are able to see this?
Yes, yes. Nice, very nice. You are using laptop, huh?
No, I am not using any color or pen. It is only the advertisement paper.
Okay. Very nice. So many things.
In fact, the whole bunch of it looks like, like this, a museum piece. Even in certain of the museums, entomology departments, you will find, these kind of insects, lined up, like this.
Insect museum you have. Very nice.
Yes, definitely I have.
Super, sir.
There is something more. Look to this.
Sir, video வரமாட்டுது சார்.
அவரு சார் காமிக்கிறது தெரியுதா? சார் காமிக்கிறது தெரியுதா?
தெரியுது.
So these are all, Coleoptera. Coleoptera means, beetles. Different types of beetles. This is all, Hymenoptera. In fact, stinging insects. Look, these are the butterflies. And these are the spiders.
Yeah. Wow, beautiful.
So what about the video? What happened to it?
Sir, just give me 2 more minutes. I'm just checking it.
Okay, right. You please take.
And you can tell about the story on kirigami or origami, how it evolved.
Yes. In fact, I also do, the books, like this. I also do books, like this. These are all, pop-up books. Just to see, how a pop-up book, is. It just, pops up like this. So this explains, the seasons, what we have. And this is the sun, when he can be moved, through different latitudes, like this. And you can find out, the in which season, the sun is overhead, etc. Next page is this. This is the Jantar Mantar. In fact, the original looks like this here. So we have made in paper a working model, like this. And everything goes inside. This is the Dakshinottara Bhitti Yantra in Jantar Mantar. Original is like this. And we have made it like this in pop-up. This is another yantra called Shashtyamsha yantra. The peculiarity is when you open this pinhole camera like this, when the sun moves, the image also moves. My name. There is another yantra called Nadi Valya. In fact, actually, it is a working model. When you take it to the sun and keep it north-south, it shows the shadows and also the time. So I also do the books like this, pop-up books on science and also mathematics. So mathematics is my hobby, and as such in paper I do whatever I do, it contains mathematics, including these insects, including the other things what I have just shown you. It always contains that basic mathematics in it.
Sir, எதுவுமே கேட்க மாட்டேது சார்.
See?
கேக்குதா?
ஸ்கிரீன் வரலையே.
அந்த வீடியோ கேக்குதா?
இல்ல உங்க குரல் தான் கேக்குது.
வீடியோ எதுவும் வரலையா?
வரல, சாஸ்திரியோட இமேஜ் வரலையா?
இல்ல நான் ப்ளே பண்றது கேக்குதா? அதாவது இதுல இருந்து யூடியூப்ல இருந்து
எக்கோ அடிக்குது.
எக்கோ வருது நீங்க பேசுறது. அவரோட முகமே வரலையே.
ஸ்கிரீன் மேலேயே ஓவர் ஸ்கிரீனா ஒண்ணு வருது. டபுள் ஸ்கிரீனா தெரியுது, ஆனா எதுவுமே இமேஜ் வரல. இரைச்சல் சவுண்ட் மட்டும் வருது.
சார் உங்க முகம் தெரிய மாட்டேங்குது.
அதான் வரல கொஞ்சம் டெக்னிக்கல் ப்ராப்ளம்.
சார் ஸ்கிரீன் மேல ஸ்கிரீன் ரெண்டு ஸ்கிரீன் வருது.
அதான் அது
டபுள் ஸ்கிரீனா தெரியுது எல்லாருக்கும்.
சார் வீடியோ வர மாட்டேது.
Hello sir, no screen or camera are being shared. Sir, camera ஏதாவது ஆஃப் ஆயிருக்கும், செக் பண்ணி பாருங்க.
சாஸ்திரிஜி உங்க கேமரா ஆன் ஆயிருக்கா பாருங்க.
Yes, ஆனா இருக்கு இப்போ.
இப்பதான் வருது.
now okay.
சார் இப்ப தெரியுது சார்.
உங்க கேமரா தான் இருக்கு. சார் சாஸ்திரி சார், நீங்க ஏதோ ஒரு சின்ன இன்செக்ட் பண்ணி காமிங்க.
இன்செக்ட்டா? சரி.
சார்
வீடியோ ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்கு. do that
problem in screen share, I think. அதாவது I can share the video, and the audio is not coming from your video.
Okay, I will demonstrate to you how to I make an insect.
Yes.
Okay. So this is the magazine. This is the old magazine I have taken. So there are lots of advertisements, in it. Okay. See, what I do. I'll just find out on a required advertisement. See, this is the advertisement I am taking. I'll just take one small portion of it. See, from this advertisement, I have taken a small portion. So with this, I am doing the insect. Please observe, what I do.
ஸ்ரீ வீடியோ பாஸ் போட்டுக்கோங்க.
இல்ல லெனின் சார், சார் வீடியோல பேசுறது கேக்குதா? ஆடியோ
இல்ல கேக்கல.
Oh, some problem. Right.
இப்ப அவர் வந்து இப்ப ஒரு செஞ்சிட்டு இருக்காரு, அது செய்து காமிக்கிட்டோம். அதுக்கப்புறம் அந்த வீடியோ போட்டுட்டு அவர் பாட்டு பேசட்டும், சைடுல அது கொஞ்சம் கமெண்ட் கொடுக்கட்டும்.
ரைட். ஓகே.
பாஸ் போட்டுக்கங்க.
See, I have made this insect.
Good morning. எந்த ஐடி நைட்டு வந்து ஒரே அடி இருக்கு. குட் மார்னிங். இந்த நைட் ஆகிய வணக்கம். What exploring? He said nothing. What's up, boy? Easy, body.
Can you see an insect?
Sir, beautiful, sir.
Insects.
Sir, beautiful, sir.
So I can make a 500 different types of insects like this using only magazine paper.
Shastri
So
ji,
you are able to share the video now?
yes, we can share the video, but the problem is there is no audio. So
I
can
see.
you give comments by that as it plays?
Definitely. You please play it. Let us see.
Okay, we'll play the video and
Yeah.
you can just give comments side by side.
Definitely. I will.
Video play பண்ணுங்க. Yes, you can give voice over.
So this origami means, using paper. Ori means to hold and kami is paper in Japanese language. Just like that, there is also a art called kirigami. Kiri means to cut and a kami is paper. So origami, everybody knows about it. But kirigami, many people do not know. But that is a very ancient Japanese art. Since 1000 years it has been practiced. So for kirigami, usually what happens is that the Japanese take rice paper. That is a very, very thin paper they have. So that they take and make certain shapes and hang for the festivals, etc. Just like festoons, what we have, for any public function we make that festoons. Just like that, they will hang. But they have got a step further. They do the things like this. In fact, the Buddha, it is a kind of a Indian model, what I have done. And also see this Ganapati. So this is the Indian model I have done. And also, see that the Terakuttu figure or Yakshagana figure. This is also a kind of a model, which you can do in paper. So now I will demonstrate, one after another, how, I take the paper, A4 size paper, and then, go on cutting and doing it. See, this three-dimensional things also can be done. Look at the deer, how it is standing. And also the insects, what I have been showing to you. So these also, can be done, in kirigami. So now let us start with one after another. I will demonstrate. See, look at the way I am just doing it. I take a A4 paper, fold it in half with no drawing. I will go on cutting it like that, and you will find a Ganesha in the end. Just observe what I do. See, this is a kind of a single kind of a cut, and after cutting, we'll do something like this. This is called as an origami fold. That's why every kirigami also contains certain origami folds. Look, now the Ganesha is ready. Look at the way it is. It is three-dimensional. I am putting a background, a black paper, and this is the result. Does it not look good? Now I will demonstrate in another model. I take a paper and cut it into half. I'll take only the half of that paper. Again, a symmetrical cutting. This is the Gautam Buddha I am doing. In fact, this is called that the statue effect. Statue effect, I call because you can just make it to stand on a table. Look at the way I am holding the ears. So it can be made to stand like that, just like a statue. So I will take another piece of paper from the same A4 size. Now I will do an Yakshagana figure or a Terracotta figure, the mask.
Shastri ji, very nice.
Yes.
Hello. It is very
Yes,
nice.
sir.
But how do we learn that?
Okay, for
Some
that,
children
sir,
are-
there should be a kind of a workshop. In fact, I can make a workshop, like this, so that we
Okay.
have to plan it, separately.
Okay. So some tips for the children. Many children are attending this. So they want to know how to
Yeah.
practice.
Okay, just take the paper, and then begin to cut. Look at the way I am doing the insect, now from out of the magazine paper. See how I am cutting. So video has stopped. Why? So I have taken a small piece of paper. I am making an insect. So that's how all the papers can be modulated. In fact, there is a lot of mathematics in it. Now I am demonstrating a mathematical the model. I will take some fractions. I will take that paper. So A4 size paper. Consider the fractions. 1/2, 1/4, 1/8, etc. So with this kind of a mathematics, what you can do using this mathematics, what you can do. Half, 1/4, 1/8, and 1/16. What you can do with this? So I will consider that length as 1. I'll take half of it. I will move above, so that half comes in the middle, and 1/4 and 1/4 will be at the edges. Then I cut. Look, half of it is in the middle. 1/4 and 1/4 at the edges are there. This half, that is 1/4. This half, I will just fold it inside. I will push it in. Now you can see that gap. That is the half of the original paper. Now this in the half again, I will take another half, and I will move to the middle, and the edges will be 1/8 and 1/8. I'll cut that 1/4 of the total temple. Again, I will hold it and then I'll push them inside. Now what you can see is the total length is 1. Then half I have cut, and half of half, that is 1/4 I have cut, and I am pushing them inside. Now you can clearly see half and also 1/4. I will continue the same. From that 1/4, I will take half of it. That will be 1/8. So I will cut that 1/8. In the edges, it will be 1/16 and 1/16. Now the cutting is over. When we open it, you see how wonderful this is. It's entirely mathematics. We have taken the fractions 1/2, 1/4, 1/8, and 1/16. That is that half, 1/4, and 1/8. And the edges are 1/8 and 1/16. So when we open it, see, this is the thing. It seems like an architectural kind of a model.
Stay on the screen stop பண்ணுங்க.
Stop the screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, share my image.
Shastri ji, you can say something.
Yes. Yes. Please, share my image so that let the people ask any questions are there. I am here to answer.
We can see you.
You stop that video kind of a thing and then start screen. My screen.
Participants, யாருக்காவது ஏதாவது கொஸ்டின் இருக்கா?
Yes, sir. Joy Chandran from Bombay.
Sir, welcome.
Tell me.
Yeah.
Sir, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಿ ಸರ್, ಬಹಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ದು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
Okay, he is from Bombay.
Sir. Hello.
Yes, go on, sir. Yeah.
Okay. ಸರ್, ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಬುಕ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ನಮ್ಮ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಅದನ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಳಿಸಿಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇದ್ರೆ ಬಹಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ?
English.
Yes, asking me whether I have written any book in any about Kirigami, but I have not written any book on Kirigami.
Yes.
I have not written any book on Kirigami.
Any books or any videos are available?
I have not written any books on Kirigami, but the thing is that all these kind of models, what you are seeing, even Japanese people don't do, because all these are Indian models. They don't do, and insects also they don't do. In fact, so this is something unique, what you are seeing. When I am the only person in India, doing this, so that's why I have not found time, to do it. Number one. Number two, see, it is a kind of a skill, you have to acquire. 3 things, you have to know. One is that paper holding. Next is paper cutting, and also entomology. Entomology means the insect kind of a body building, how it is, etc. So combination of all these 3, is the kind of insect making. That is very rare. Number one. And number two, only science people can appreciate it. It is not a kind of a general art. Just like I'm making a Buddha or a Terkuttu or Yakshagana figure or something kind of a Ganesha. It is not a kind of a general kind of an art. I use everything using mathematics, ratio, proportion, using mathematics. as well as, of course, what I showed you in the law, using, how to convert, fractions into a kind of a model, Kirigami model. So actually, these things also, are mathematical. These things are also, mathematical, which I have practiced, hundreds of times. That's how, the skill, is with me. So, but the thing is, I have not found anybody, to learn it. Nobody, wants to learn this.
Yes, it's labor intensive. Practice.
They are ready to learn, Gautam Buddha. They are ready to learn, the Ganesha, but not, these insects, and also mathematical models.
Okay, so mathematical models are a little bit complicated due to they want to learn the maths.
Learning mathematics is different, but in his application of mathematics, what we learn. For example, fractions. For example, ratio and proportion. Ratio and proportion.
Yeah.
I am directly applying it, here. That's all. So my only effort here is all the calculations are there. 100 times, you have to make a drawing. Then that will pass through, this hand and also through this scissors. That is the only skill. That's all. It comes after practice.
Okay. So thank you very much. Really fantastic. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. வேற யாரா கொஸ்டின் கேக்குறீங்களா? கேள்வி இருக்கா?
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Yeah.
I'm from Trichy. Sir. Yeah, I'm from Trichy. My name is Teres Pushpa. We have got this. You showed us that Jantar Mother book. It was a very interesting book. I think this will be useful for our children who are studying in our school. And also, we are also interested to know your cuttings, because you say it is all calculations. But unless you know the image of that insect, you cannot cut it. So please teach us the techniques, what we can use, sir. And also, we are very much interested to learn something from you. Thank you, sir.
In fact, in a workshop, that I can be of much of use, not in a kind of a webinar like this. So that in a workshop, directly, I can just, show you, and also the three-dimensional nature of this insect and all that, I can just show you. Number one. Number two, see, I conduct very many kinds of workshops. I use, paper, in the different kinds of ways and multitude kinds of ways. I can do, planes, airplanes, which can actually, fly. In fact, whatever the airplanes, do, in the air, that I can do it, only with my hand, and also, handmade airplanes, palm-held airplanes. I can do that.
Oh.
In fact, origami techniques, are like that. In fact, in origami, my specialty is that, I teach mathematics. In fact, I have written a book, Origami Fun and Mathematics, which has been published by Vigyan Prasad. And I have also written, another book due to public demand, that why -1 into -1 is equal to +1. There also I use, the paper and also, paper techniques to demonstrate how -1 into -1 equal to +1 in various ways. In fact, 16 methods, I have given. Like this, I use, paper, lots and lots of techniques, I use. In fact, the pop-up, book, what I showed you, this is the first of its kind, in the world of Jantar Mantar. So, to communicate, science, especially, mathematics, this paper art, is very, very useful. And I am at it, since 40 years. In fact, Mr. Lenin, the host, knows. In fact, he has also arranged my workshops in Chennai, in his own, museum, Chennai Science Museum. So, in fact, I go to all over India, I have conducted workshops since 40 years. More than 800 to 900 workshops I have conducted. In fact, when this kind of a COVID thing, etc. is over, I may just, come to you and share my knowledge.
Oh. It's very good, sir. It's really wonderful. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. வேற யாருக்கா கேள்வி இருக்கா?
After COVID-19, people can invite him for the workshops in case you want to have it in your school or college. So Sastri ji can.
In fact, I am a regular visitor to Tamil Nadu. I am a regular visitor to Tamil Nadu. In fact, 2 months ago, I was at IIT, Madras, Chennai. They had invited me, for some kind of a program. Okay, the higher mathematics also can be demonstrated in paper. For example, differential equations and also topological things, that also can be demonstrated. That's why they had invited me there. In fact, they recorded, my episodes, in mathematics to origami.
Yes, sir.
Joy Chandran sir, you can plan one in Bombay if you want to have some session with children.
Definitely, sir. Definitely in future. Definitely, I'm planning. Not only this, so many other plans, including your team.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Science Center will arrange such programs. We'll inform you through Arivel Palagai.
Yes, sir. Lenin sir, yes, we have to organize one workshop in Chennai.
So we regularly
And
organize. We'll organize now after COVID. So we'll organize at the Science Center. We have Science Centers at Chennai, Trichy, Velur, Coimbatore. So we'll have programs there. And through Arivel Palagai, we'll invite everybody.
Yes,
In
yes.
fact, I suggest through Arivel Palagai, you can make some kind of a videos like this and put it on the YouTube. So so that will permanently give you some kind of an exposure, and as well as you'll be demonstrating these things all over India. So
Sure,
whatever
sir.
the recordings what you have made. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So now this recording is in Facebook. You'll
Okay, it's
post
all right.
there and YouTube
No.
also will post.
Arivel Palagai. In fact, last month, that madam, from Pondicherry, she demonstrated so many kind of experiments. So like that, people are interested in such kind of a small videos, nowadays. So that's why,
Yes,
I request you, to make such kind of a videos and have, your own kind of a website, so that you can just, put it professionally. You can make it, and put it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We will plan it, sir. Definitely.
So,
Lenin sir,
so how did you feel the program? How did you feel the program?
Very nice, very nice.
Okay.
Roma-
Sir, you have to
Nice.
correct
Nice.
the
Nice.
technical problems, you have to correct.
It's not like a on the dais program. Webinar is always boring. Quite
No, I
interesting.
very well understand. Each time in Arivel meeting, it takes place in a different platform, Zoom, Google Meet, and also now GoTo, etc. So that's why there is a lot of
Technical issues,
confusion.
connectivity issues, traffic jams.
Yeah.
But one thing is, we get people all over the country.
That is true,
So
sir,
which is
because
not
people
possible in the
want
direct
it.
program.
There is such kind of a hunger, for science programs and also math, especially mathematics programs. There is a very good shortage. In fact, if you were to take such kind of a thing, that will be very nice. In fact, I will be happy to conduct mathematics through origami program for you sometime later. Okay,
Okay.
through webinar we can just do it.
Yes. The one good thing in this webinar type of thing is, people from anywhere can participate. That is the only
Yes,
advantage
that
we
is a
have.
tremendous advantage, isn't it? That is
Yeah.
that reach itself is a tremendous advantage in it,
Yes,
isn't
yes.
it? That's why one thing is that you can reach out and also permanently record, put it on the YouTube. So there will be a kind of a permanent repository, for you, and you can check, even if I am not there, that kind of work, will be there. So this
It
is
will
the
be there,
tremendous
yeah.
advantage.
Definitely.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Any
sir,
other
thank you,
questions?
Sridhar. Are there any questions?
Yeah, sir. Sastri sir, wholeheartedly we thank from Arivel Palagai for coming into this session and giving the wonderful demonstration of this kirigami. I also amazed to see such things what you did in Delhi last time when we met. So it was very interesting. So I was thinking that to introduce to Tamil Nadu people, I should invite you for this session. So thank you so much for coming in. And also the participants, the excellent participants, they were keeping, patiently waiting and watching this entire show. I thank all of the participants. Mr. Lenin sir was coordinating this program here today. Thank you all for joining this wonderful session. We will invite you for again some other day or some other session on teaching origami or the mathematical model. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you all. Bye.
Thank you all. In fact, Shastri ji has given me a set of insects which I have at home. It is very nice in a beautiful jewel box he has given me. Thank you, sir. Thank you. And thank you everybody for joining, and we'll meet again. Thank you.
Thank you all. Bye.
வணக்கம் ஐயா.